The phone! Where's the phone? Maybe underneath. Where? Ah, here you are. Ready? New footwork every day. Amazing or not amazing? New footwork every day. Marcus Bodycoding Live. You see, we do. No excuses. You wanna see? Let's go. Pa, 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 da, da, da. Pa, 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 da, da, da. Amazing. Let's do it together. This is Cross Complicado 7, which is Suzi Q to the back. Let's go and do it together. I'll switch the cameras. Let's do it together. We can start with the left or with the right. We start to the back. Start with the left. We go step, cross to the back, step, cross to the back, cross to the back, step, cross to the back. Again, cross to the back, step, cross to the back, cross to the back, step, cross to the back. Again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. It's a Suzi Q just to the back. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. It can be also 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. Amazing. See the sunrise and we're switching back. You're here. Yes, I switched the cameras. This is what it usually happens. And here, I'm here to remind you, these are universal moves. This move was cross C7, cross Complicado 7, which is Suzi Q to the back. And when I say universal moves, it means that you can use them in any dance style that you want, whether it's Bachata, Salsa, on 1 or on 2, hip hop, Zumba, Rumba, Kizomba, whatever style you want. And you can do it in today's party. Yes, whatever party it is. Yeah. Wait. You still here? Amazing. Let's do another practice. Now face to face. I want to see you. Let's do it face to face. Now imagine yourself staring in the mirror. Yeah. And practicing, of course. Are you ready? Let's practice. Starting with the left. Let's go. We cross to the back, step, cross. We stop, cross to the back, step, cross. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We can roll the shoulders. If this is easy for you, add rolling the shoulders to the back. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. It can be also 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 1. Yeah, this is the move. Cross Complicado 7. Amazing or not amazing? I think amazing, but maybe this is just my personal opinion. Ha! Wait, you still here? Whoa, I appreciate that. And since you stayed till now, I have a bonus for you. Are you ready for the bonus? You can practice the bonuses. You can practice with me this move, Cross Complicado 7, which is Suzi Q to the back. You can practice that with me in the studio for free anytime you want. How do you do that? Check the link above, below, or whatever it might be, and meet me in the studio. Full tutorial on YouTube. Wait, but what do you care? You have this video, right? So remember, no excuses. Hit the replay button and practice again. Repetition is the mother of skill. And in today's party, whatever party it may be, if you forget the move, you can get your phone or the other phone, go to the corner, pull out the phone, practice with me, then go back to the party and do the move. Yeah. Yeah, show off a little bit. You deserve it. So, do it today, okay? Do it today. I'm serious. Today. Why today? Because tomorrow there's new footwork. Because new footwork every day. Marcus Body Coding Live. Well, see you tomorrow. Okay, no problem. See you tomorrow. I'll be here.